dropped in, Woody. Hiya, folks. I'm happy you could join us. Woody and his gang have a real fun show lined up for you. You'll see many cartoons. But that's not all. Woody promises a special feature. There'll be lots of laughs and excitement.
I'll be right with you. This time, nothing can go wrong. Okay, here we go with another cartoon. Guess who?
Only a mirage. Boy, what did they mean? Goochie, 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 goochie.
working on the railroad. Dum-de-dum-dee-day.
It is magnificent.
What glorious color tones.
Such strength and depth of feeling. Why, it's better than Grandma Who's.
Notice how lifelike.
It almost looks alive.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the work of a genius. And now it gives me great pleasure to present you with the grand prize.